Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that dollar CAD is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that USD CAD back to back previous 2 months created two long monthly dojis. Now these two dojis are identical. As you can see, they have created a lower high, and also we see that this doji is an inside bar that couldn't break this previous candles high and low. Now as soon as this market opened this month, we have seen that immediate rejection from this resistance zone, giving a very high probability for USD CAD to drop to this monthly 20 EMA or even breaking this previous support level along this area. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame on dollar CAD, we can see that from the weekly perspective, there is a bearish engulfer along this zone on dollar CAD. Now, with that bearish engulfer on the weekly from this resistance level, the price has a strong rejection towards the downside. Now, if we closely look at on dollar CAD, we see that this is a very important, significant weekly resistance zone on dollar CAD with this bearish engulfer this week. So far, dollar CAD has opened with a gap and then immediately has gone up for a pullback and retest, and we see that dollar CAD now dropping down. Now, if we look at closely on USDCAD, we can see that from the weekly perspective, the price has broken this weekly support below this support, and we could see that this market is continuing to the downside as we see the price below the support, and there is no support level nearly along the zone, and we might see that USDCAD is coming down for further drop as later today there is a news coming up. We might see a strong movement. Now, from the daily, we see the dollar CAD has formed a typical bearish market structure. Now, starting with this daily pin bar, this is a very strong rejection, and we saw that there is a massive drop followed by a green candle, which is in fact a narrower candle that has crossed this daily's high. That's a strong liquidity grab, and from that zone, we saw the dollar CAD has dropped from this daily middleman followed by this narrow doji. Again, high probability setup for potential downside on dollar CAD. Now from the daily, we see that all the indicator is downside. Now if we look at the from the intraday perspective, we see that USD CAD is consolidating along this area, and then there is a strong drop. We have seen that this support level is broken, followed by every session the price is forming series of lower high and lower low. Along with this dodgy formation, dollar CAD has broken down. Now previous session we saw that USD CAD has formed this long bearish engulfer, which is a full body red strong bearish engulfer, followed by this session. So far we saw that the buyers trying to break this high, but we see sellers still selling this market. This is the zone that I will be waiting for a potential selling opportunity on dollar CAD. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.